breath is okay for you to smell good, not bad. You know? Because I don't want wasting time. You know? Because if you give it to me to cut my teeth, all my in my mouth to broken, to cut this, then smell good to kiss me. Mm. Oh, then if you come here, you take it easy, you take it easy ha, tapakin me ha. I like, yeah, I like it you are like. I like your dick if you are giving to me a money to cut this all in all. I want to a beautiful for you because my teeth what? Oh no. I don't like lagi. I don't like your behavior. I don't like your behavior already. You are, I don't want to lie for me, huh? You know, because there are so many friends in this Facebook. I want to I special you to in my heart. Then my teeth is broken. Then you have a money to cut. What? Yatak man what? You one I have my teeth, I have my mouth to probe this my no have teeth. What? You give me money to one. You tell me you could what? Oh, I want to suck you. You are given to a money to what we call that to cut this and you marble. Do you know what is marble? To take fake. I know you are a marble. Exactly. Exactly what I am saying to you. Oh. I don't know. I'm already to my thinking. What I am thinking. You give me a money to cut this. If you are not, I off this. I block you already. I already to block you. Because wasting time. If you interested me, then you cut. You give me a money to cut this. All in all. My mouth is broken. Because my mouth is very bad breath. If you interested me to you marry me? Are you sure? Then you give me money to cut this. Oh, how much? What? If you give me a money to cut this all in all, I'll show you all parts of the body. Okay? You are the only one. Oh, why you are seeing to one at the back? There's a lot of people there. Are you a scammer? Tell me the truth. Are you a scammer? To selling me? Because to sell me. Why did you? Why there's another someone else there? Why your eyes is looking there, looking there, looking? Why? Oh, it's a beautiful house. Are you rich people or not rich? Where's your money? Give me a money to cut this or to as soon as possible. What? I said, give me a money first to cut this, then my teeth is very, what we call that, it's very, I don't know, you're wasting time. Give me a money or not? Not? No, I want this. How much? You give it a money because I want to cut this because you come here in Philippines. You better, you smell better to not bad breath. You are doing bad. I want to a man to respect me. You respect me, and if you all respect me, then I so much to love you, and then I care for you if you are true. Why?